I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. Today we're reviewing a heavy-duty power chair by Hoveround, so stay tuned. This is the Hoveround XHD. This is their heavy-duty power chair. This chair has a 450-pound weight capacity. It's got a heavy-duty frame and heavy-duty motors that have high torque. This is a front-wheel drive power chair. So it is with those heavy-duty motors, with that torque, with the front-wheel drive, it should get good traction outside as well. Like I said, it has a 450-pound weight capability. The chair is a basic chair, so it doesn't have any functions to it. So the first thing I want to go over is a couple measurements. So we have our seat here. I'm going to measure the seat. So the seat is 23 inches wide by 18 inches deep. It's in really good shape. This chair has 10 hours of usage on it, so it was used maybe a week or two. Didn't really get that much usage out of it, and then we bought it. So yeah, 23 by 18 inch seat. Now, these arms can be adjusted. Let me bring them in a little bit more because I want to give you outside of arm to outside of arm measurement. So if you loosen this knob back here, you can bring the arms closer. Let me do this side too. There we go. I don't want to bring them too far because when you fold down the seat, you don't want it to get scratched on these arms. This seat does fold down almost flat though, with your highest point being right here, which for transport purposes, about 33 inches to the top of the joystick. The arms do flip up. So if you do transfer from the side, you can do that. So now the outside of arm to outside of arm measurement, we're looking at about 26.5 inches. So you want to make sure you have at least like a 27-inch doorway, preferably a little bit more. Now you can bring the arms further out. Okay. You can bring the arms further out, but that will increase the overall width and how much you can get through a doorway. So up front we have the foot plate. So this does flip up. It is a rounded foot plate as well that the Hoveround Corporation is known for. And then I wonder if I can get this so you can see. There is up front here, these are your neutral levers. So if you ever have to push the chair, we're going to turn the power off. That'll get rid of any resistance in the motors. And there's two levers right here. We can push those down. Then that allows you to freewheel the chair if the battery ever dies and you need to get it pushed around. Now the chair will not drive. It'll start giving an error code at you. So you want to make sure you put these back up before you turn the power back on. So I'll turn the power back on. And we're back. So this chair also has a seat belt right here. Really nice one. Let me just center this a little bit more. There we go. So this chair, when you order this chair, you're going to get a charger with it. You're going to get a Hoveround charger. I think I actually have the charger in the back. I'm going to use this charger just for an example, but the charger you're going to get is in the back of the seat right now. So for example, this is going to plug in underneath your joystick. The other end is going to plug into your wall. Now these are smart chargers. They'll be orange when the chair is charging. When the charger is full and it detects that the batteries are full, it'll switch to a green light and it will turn off and stop charging the chair because these are smart chargers. So once again, this is the Hoveround XHD. It's got that heavy duty frame on the back. These caster wheels are kind of double forked. So you can see there's two casters in a solid steel frame. So this is a very solid power chair, very simple design, but very sturdy. So these are really popular on the market these days. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take this outside. We're going to test it in the grass a little bit and just see how it operates outside and how comfortable it feels. So go ahead and follow me out there. So this is the Hoveround XHD. This is the front wheel drive power chair with a heavy duty weight capacity. It's got a 450 pounds capacity. So you can see this is what it looks like turning in your home. And then it's got a pretty good speed. I'd say about 4.5, 5 miles an hour on this. But the main thing I was mentioning, it's got the heavy duty motor, so it has a lot more torque. So I'm going to go into the grass and see how it does. Yeah, no issues. Now this isn't the most intense grass because this is not an all-terrain power chair, but it does have enough power, and being a front wheel drive chair has enough torque to get through pretty much anything flat. You don't want to go through sand or mud or anything soft. As long as you have a hard bottom, it'll go through most things. But this is the Hoveround XHD. If you're interested in this chair, I have a link in the description below. Check that out or give us a call, and we'd be glad to help you out on this.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.